We're out in a Mayocoba field and we're witnessing a harvest. The steps of the harvest are first is once the beans are mature, generally that is done when the leaves turn at least 80% yellow. Then the beans are cut either through a swather or knifed. The beans are put into a windrow, as you can see right here, and dried for about 7 days. 5 to 10 days they are dried. Then the beans are picked up with the harvester, as you can see in the background. The combine actually picks up the whole windrow and it thrashes it and separates the seed from the pod and from the stalk. So only the seed goes into the truck, and the truck is then hauled to our facility. There at our facilities, we receive the truck, we weigh it, we take samples to see if there's any foreign material or any splits, and then we unload the truck. We unload it into our facilities where it goes through a triple cleaning process where we get out any of the earth that may be along with it or any other type of foreign materials plus the splits. And once it goes through that cleaning process, we bag it, and then those bags are put onto a pallet, and those pallets are put onto a truck to ship out. The bean splits are just basically a half a bean. It's the whole bean that is split in two. They are perfectly edible, and they are sold to the processing industries, which make refried beans. The refried beans that you eat are made from splits. An important note is that the seed is taken and put into the truck. That is left in the field. The stalks, the pods, etc., are part of the organic material in the soil that goes back into the soil and will help in the next year's crop. One important note in the harvest is that the growers, they are really committed. Many times they're out here very early in the morning, especially when they're cutting the beans, when there's dew on the beans. And what this helps is that there's less crackage and less splits that occur when the beans are cut. So this is very important for the end quality of the beans, and the farmers are there and committed to do that. Yeah, this is a Mayocoba field that we're standing in, and I just can't wait to take some of these beans home and make a bean and ham soup. The yellow beans are fantastic with this. Well, the High Plains beans, by the name, are from this region of United States. The High Plains, which consists of Colorado, Wyoming, western Nebraska, has the best terroir. It's the best soil, the altitude. All of our beans are grown over 3,000 feet. We have the most sunshine as any place in the country, cool nights. It's just an ideal place to grow beans, and especially in the case of the pinto beans, they're the brightest in the world. And also the Mayocobas, they're a bright yellow, which is competitive to any place in the world. So we're very proud of this region. High Plains beans can be found online, either in Amazon or our own website. We do have a local store in Alt, Colorado, so you're welcome to buy the High Plains beans in any of these locations. I'd like to congratulate our growers this year on another job well done. Our growers, repeat growers, they're actually long-term generational growers. Their grandfathers, fathers, and sons are now growing beans for us. And They just do a great job. This year is going to be one of our best years as far as production. And not only the yields, but the quality. The quality is exceptional this year, so we'll have the available product throughout the year. Just look us up.